Hello everyone, this is Mr. Gerald C. Apostol. In this video, we are going to solve 5 number series problems. But if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also please click the bell button for you to be notified for our future videos. So let us start. Okay, basahin natin sa number 1. So as you can see, there are a lot of terms. We have 111, 1211, 3311. So as you can see, parang familiar yung pattern. It's like pattern siya ng Pascal triangle. So let us identify kung tama ba yung hinala natin. So Pascal triangle is parang ganyan. Okay? 1, then 1, 3, 3, 1. Pinag-a-add natin yung upper, yung nandoon. Tapos yun yung magiging sagot. Then 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So as you can see, 1, 1, 1. Ito yung tatlo dito. And then 1, 2, 1. This is the third row. And then the 1, 1, 3, 1. Ito yun. And then we have 1. Ito. So ibig sabihin, the next terms for this series is 4 and then 6. So 4, 6 is letter A. Next number 2. So we have 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 9, 8. So as you can see, doon sa pattern natin, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So basically, this is 10. And the next one is 3, 6, 9. So basically, this is 12. So our last two terms are 12 tapos 10. So that is letter C. Next number 3. So we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So kapag nasanay ka na sa mga number series, medyo madadalian ka na. Unang tingin mo pa lang dito, alam mo na ang gagawin kasi you are experimenting kung ano ba yung mga operations na ginamit. So napapansin natin, pinag-add lang yung last two terms doon sa series na to. So we have 1, 1, 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 8, 5, 8, 13, 8, 13. So basically this is 21 and 13, 21, it is equal to 34. So our answer will be letter B. Next, we have number 4. So we have 11, 2, 22, 44. Oh, madali lang hulaan ko ano yung pattern. It's like multiplying the last two terms. We have 11 times 2, 22. 2 times 22, 44. And then for the fifth term, we need to multiply 22 and 44. That is equal to 22 times 44. That is equal to 968. So basically, si letter B lang ang may 968. So this will be our answer. But for us to verify kung 968 to, let us multiply 44 times 968. That is equal to 42,592 also. So tama yung sagot natin. So letter B. Next, we have the last number. We have 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7, 9, 11. So, kung mapapansin nyo, we have pattern. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pattern siya ng prime numbers. So, ibig sabihin, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So, ang susunod dito, we have 13. Next, we have 4, 6, 8, 9. So, kung mapapansin nyo, it's a pattern of composite numbers. We have 4, 6, 8, 9. So, ang susunod dito will be 10. So, we have 10, 13. So, ang sagot natin is letter C. Oh, thank you everyone. So, sana natuto kayo kahit papaano. And then, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you sa susunod na video. Bye!